In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the Do Not Disturb feature in Gmail. If you've ever been in the middle of an important task and found the barrage of email notifications to be distracting, then this function could be exactly what you need. By implementing Do Not Disturb, you can ensure you maintain focus without constantly being interrupted. The process is quick and easy, allowing you to set aside time to work, rest, or do whatever you need without the noise of notifications. Let's walk through it step by step. First, ensure you are logged into your Gmail account. Look at the top right hand corner of the page. Here, you'll notice your Google account options. Among them, you should see an option labeled as Active. Clicking on Active reveals several status options to help manage your notifications and visibility. From there, find the next option titled Do Not Disturb. Once you select this, Gmail will provide you with choices for how long you would like to mute notifications. It gives you the flexibility to choose a time frame that works best for your needs. You can silence your notifications for as short as 30 minutes or extend it up to a full 24 hours. This feature is particularly useful when you're working on projects that require deep concentration or simply need a break from email alerts. Once you've made your selection, Gmail will automatically initiate the Do Not Disturb mode for the designated time period. During this time, email notifications are paused, allowing you to proceed with your day undisturbed. It's really that simple. Now, a few tips to enhance your experience. Remember that you can adjust this setting anytime. If you find you need more time than initially set, or you're ready to receive notifications again before the chosen duration has elapsed, you can go back and change or cancel the Do Not Disturb setting by repeating these steps. Make sure this option really works for your schedule. If you expect important emails, plan accordingly so you don't miss them. Also, keep in mind that although notifications are paused, your emails continue to arrive in your inbox and are accessible anytime you check manually. Incorporating the occasional Do Not Disturb period can significantly impact your productivity. It helps in blocking out the digital noise, giving you control over when and how you engage with your emails. So next time the notifications are overwhelming, remember this simple process and take charge of your focus and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this tutorial helps you reclaim some peace and productivity in your day-to-day life. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips to share about managing notifications effectively.